Okay, right, maths challenge. So we've been doing this maths challenge for forever now. So this we're going to fly all the way through, and we're going to be able to do this, well, I would say with our eyes closed, but we need them open to be able to do our maths. Okay, so remembering, guys, it is addition. So I put the big number in my head. So I'm going to put 7 in my head, and I'm going to hold up 2 fingers, and 7, 8, 9. Fantastic. Exactly the same. 7 in my head, and I'm going to hold up 3 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? The takeaway. Remembering, guys, that because it's a takeaway, it's like an arrow, which means that these ones here get put into my head. So I'm going to put the 2 in my head, and I'm going to count up to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 3 in my head, and I'm going to count up to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do we read this number? 45. Well done. Over to this one. Remember, these ones here are always a little bit more difficult, so we're not going to panic. Okay? It's a plus, so I am looking to put the biggest number in my head. Which is the biggest number? The 3 or the 8? Simple question, isn't it, guys? So I'm going to put the 8 in my head, and I'm going to add 3 more. 8, 9, 10, 11. I put the 1 here, and where do I put the other 1? On the top. Exactly the same with the 7 and the 2. I put the biggest number in my head, number 7. I put 2 fingers up, and I put my magic 1 up as well. So I've got 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, because I don't have another number here, I just put the 1 next to it. And this gives me the answer 101. Okay, now a takeaway. Let's have a look. First things first, the arrow to remind me that this is the number that goes in my head. Okay, I'm going to put 8 in my head, and I'm going to count up to 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. I can't do this, can I, guys? What do I have to do? My magic ones. I put a magic 1 here to the mummy, and then I put a magic 1 here to the baby. My 2 with 1 more is called 3. I cross him out, and I put a 3. So let's do this. 8 in my head, and I count at the 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I have 5. 3 in my head, and I count up to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. Okay, my answer, 45. Look, guys, we've managed to get 45 in 2 different ways. Okay, multiplication. So today I've made this a little bit more difficult, but we are all able to do this. So let's have a quick look. Remember, I've got here 9 times 10. We all remember the rule. If I am multiplying by 10, all I am doing is taking my number and I am adding the 0. Okay, so 9 times 10, it is 9 with a 0. See if you can tell me the answer of this. 3 times 10 is going to be 3 and the 0, 30. And then we become a little bit more complicated. 5 times 2. So now I'm not using the 10 times table where we've got a magic rule. I'm actually using the 2 times table, which isn't difficult, guys. You guys have got a multiplication test on Friday on this. Super easy. We all remember how to count in 2s. And if you don't, this is the trick. And this is the way we do this. I write down my 2 times table down the side of my paper. Okay, so I know, oh my goodness, having to wiggle backwards and forwards. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so this one here says 5 times 2. So I'm going to count in the 2 times table 5 times down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which gives me my answer of 10. If I already know how to count in 2s on my fingers, I can do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this would be my answer, 10. Exactly the same here. 3 times 2. So in my 2 times table, I'm going to count down 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it gives me my answer, 6. Okay? Exactly the same on my fingers. 2, 4, 6. Okay, guys? Now, we all remember the rule that we've been having a look at with the 10 times table. It's got that beautiful magic rule which says that anything which is divided by 10, all I'm doing is taking away a 0 and taking away a 0, which gives me my answer, 9. Okay? Exactly the same. Anything divided by 10, I am taking away a 0 and the same 0 on the other side. Gives me my answer, 3. But when I come to dividing by other numbers, okay, I can't use the same rule. So, this division is a little bit like a little arrow, okay, because it's telling me where I have to point. Okay, there are 2 ways that we can do this, and we're going to do this the easy way first. I have to find, oh my goodness, I have to find 10 in the 2 times table, which is handy because I have my 2 times table written here. So let's find the 10. Let me see, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, it is here. Okay, and let's count. How many times does 2 go into it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, guys. It goes into it 5 times. Okay, I could also do this on my fingers. I can count up to see how many 2s I need to get into 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And I've counted 5 times. Exactly the same on the other side. Okay, I'm looking and I put my arrow pointing at 6 in the 2 times table. The 2 times table is here. I find the 6 here. And I count 1, 2, 3. My answer is 3. Okay? Right, guys, have a look and see whether you can also do the maths challenge by yourself. If you do get stuck, have a look at my video again. And any problems, let me know. I can't wait to see you all tomorrow.